I have a Ducane AC12B30-A AC unit that needs a capacitor. The old one is rusted and I can't make out any numbers.
Who makes your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
The unit is made by Ducane.
How long has this been going on with your air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Stopped running last night. Fan doesn't turn and compressor only hums.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Capacitor has 3 terminals on top.
Hello. I am at work now, but I can help if you get me the model number off the Ducane outdoor unit. If you can get me the model number, I can call my Ducane supplier and see what size is supposed to be in there. However, without the model number I cannot help and neither can anyone else. At that point it would be an educated guess on the size of the dual capacitor.
Ducane model AC12B30-A.
Sorry, I didn't see the model in the original post until now. I got it. I just called my supplier. You need a 40+5 at 370 vac. If you are in a pinch and can't find a 370 vac, then the 440 vac will also work, but the manufacturer calls for a 370 vac. I hope this information helped.
Thank you for your help. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Take care.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.